Okay, Mikey, I'm gonna show you a picture and you can tell me what kind of animal it is, okay? These are all animals. So I'm gonna show you a picture and you just tell me what it is. Okay, here's the first one. What is that?
Dog.
It is a woof woof. That's right. Very good, Michael. What is it? What kind of animal? It's a cat. Cat. What sound do cats make? What animal is that?
Bird.
It is a bird. What sound do birds make? Yeah, tweet, tweet, tweet. What do you think this one is? What kind of animal is it? Is it a sheep? What sound do sheeps make? Ba. Very good. Very good. Here's another one. What animal is that?
Cow. Moo.
Very good. It's a cow, and cows go moo. Try this one. What do you think this one is?
Pig.
It is a pig. What sound do pigs make? What do they do? They go oink, oink, oink. How about this one? What's this one? What animal is that?
Monkey.
What sound do monkeys make? Very good. How about this one? What do you think this one is? It's over here. What is that animal? What is it? No, that one. What is that one? Yeah, it's a bug, but it's a bee.
Bee.
What sound do bees make?
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Very good. They go buzz, buzz, buzz. All right, last one. What is that? What is that animal?
Yeah.
A dinosaur. What sound do dinosaurs make? Wow, that was really good. Very good, Michael. Very scary. Great job, buddy. High five.
Wow.
Very loud.
Wow.
Nice job.
Nice. Bye-bye.